Okay. Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back in the woods among the evergreen, this cute long cabin made of earth and wood. Well, lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never ever learned to read and write so well, but he could play the guitar just like a ring in the bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go, Johnny be good. Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day, and I never lost 1 minute of sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, brown Mary keep on burning, singing, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, singing, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, yeah. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time, 'cause you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Oh, you were always on my mind. 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 Corona Cadillac Concerts. Yo.